Friends and students, welcome back once again. This is Bipin. So I'll just take a few moments for this thing. So I've started a series that is for project series, we call it as. In this series, where I'm making small videos which are related to project, electronic projects, science projects, STEM projects, and different type of projects which will be interesting and which will be very good for the students who are learning mini project or doing mini project, major project, as well as science project for the schools also. So please remember, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and write comments. At least what is your requirement and what do you feel and what do you want to do. Please write the comments so that I get encouraged with this. Thank you very much. I will continue with the project now. Welcome back again. So in today's project series, we are discussing one more project today, that is ESP32 CAM based motion sensor camera for operating garage or gate using Telegram app. That means you are using this app or this project and you are watching the information on the Telegram app. Okay, like your WhatsApp app, it will be there. You will have a Telegram app also. In that you can control the camera, you can see the picture, and you can operate it. That is the project. Okay. So I'll go to the next slide. Just a moment, please. Okay. So, all right. So this is the project. You can, or rather there is a gate which will open and you can control it like, right. Okay. So it's an IoT based project. As we have discussed, this is IoT based motion sensor camera. So there is a sensor which will sense the motion and take the picture, right? What is the, in this project, I have explained how to make an IoT based motion sensor, proximity sensor, or you can take a motion sensor or you can call it as a proximity sensor camera using ESP32 CAM and PIR. That is, IR is infrared and PIR is positive infrared with the Telegram app. For this IoT based ESP32 CAM project, you don't have to connect with the same Wi-Fi network. If the ESP32 CAM is connected to Wi-Fi, you can get the photos from anywhere in the world of Telegram app. That's what I told you. Okay, right. Okay. So this is the overview of the project. IoT-based ESC CAM project. What is the name? That is the name. Okay. We will create a Telegram bot for the conversion with the ESP32 CAM, right? Okay. Conversation with the Telegram, this thing with ESP32 CAM. We have to have some app, that is we are using a Telegram app. When we send the message photo to the ESP32 CAM bot, the ESP32 CAM board receives the message, take a new photo, whatever the command you give, accordingly, it will give you the message and send it to the Telegram bot. Right? Please remember Telegram bot. Okay. In the Telegram app, you have a Telegram bot. You can send the message photo with flash to turn on ESP CAM, LED flash, and lamp while capturing the photo. You can control the lamps. Right? Please remember the lamps, what we have, I've shown it here in this. You can use it to turn on and off the motor. That is the opening and closing of the gate. You can activate, deactivate the PR sensor. That means you can operate, or rather you can put it on the rest, the PR sensor or IR sensor by sending the message. Okay. You can control the lamp, LED lamps. That is, I have shown two LEDs over here, or one LED rather, which one is for detecting the motion. Okay. You can send the first start message to receive welcome message with all the commands that we will see on. Okay. So component required, you can see in the picture also. You need to have a ESP32 CAM, PIR or IR motion sensor, DTH sensor, few resistor, some transistors, LEDs, right? These are the very basic components. You should have it. Okay. Then you have connectors. If you want to use the switch for programming purpose, you can use that switch. And mainly it is a power supply, right? But while doing this project, we'll take the power supply from the USB cable, that is by connecting it to our laptop or our computer. Okay. And very important part is the FTDI, because this camera, that is ESP32 CAM, doesn't have a connector, right? You need to see what is the connector. You can see here, this thing will have a connector over here. So this camera doesn't have it. So that is the reason why we are using this FTDI connector to give the connection from or rather for programming purpose, to give connection from the computer to this particular ESP32 cam. Okay, right. So this is the part list. This is a schematic diagram. Okay, schematic diagram, very simple. I told you 2 transistor has been used, 2 LEDs has been used. This is a camera, FTDI connection. Switch, if you want to use it, you can use PIR sensor or IR sensor. And this is your DTH sensor for temperature and humidity. Right. Okay. So I was talking you have to go to, or you have to adjust and you have to take the bot and all this thing, you have to do it. Procedure and codes detail, that link I will be sharing with you. You can just directly go there and the procedure has been given. I will not discuss in the video the complete thing. The whole thing is given. So left hand side, there is a bot, and right hand side, whatever, because if you say /start, these are the things, these are the commands you will be getting. So photo, if you want, if you type photo, then you will get photo. Photo with flash, then the flash will on. That is, you have a small flash on the ESP32 also. Then light on, then light off, motion on, motion off. I told you. And if you want to know the weather, what is the temperature at your home or at your gate, then you can see the temperature, coding and hardware section. So we have come to the code part here. So you can see on your screen, I have opened a Arduino IDE. And on the Arduino IDE, it's already written. The codes are already written. So I will just explain you what is to be done. What are the steps you have to follow? All the documentations we will be sharing with you. I will share the documents where the procedure has been given. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do is you should have all the libraries. That is all the libraries what you can see here on this side. These are the libraries from starting this. These are all libraries. You should be having it. Of course, you will have ESP32, the main library, and JSON library also. So these has to be there. Then you have to select this camera. That is AI Thinker ESP32 cam. How you will select it? You will go to tools and you will go to board and you will select from ESP32. From down below, you will get that camera. Okay. Second is you have to select the port. Since I have not connected, I will just connect it and I will show it to you. Okay. So the port also you have to select. So you have to select the board and you have to select the port. Now you please come over here and you can see there is a SSID and password. Okay, so according to your Wi-Fi SSID and password, you have to give your SSID. The very important part, that is chat bot. When you do it, chats and all, so you will get 2 things. That is chat ID and bot token. Okay, so how to get chat ID and bot token? Already I have given it to you in the documentation. I have shown you, and you will get a lot of videos on that. Okay, how to get chat ID and bot token from this. So you have to enter these 2 things. The rest of the things are whatever the sensors you have used. Like I have written PIR, but I have used an IR sensor here. Okay, so PIR relays, I'm not using relay, DST pin 2 because I have DST pin and flash LED. Of course, we are using that is connected to pin number 4. There are different pins are there. It is already shown in here. Okay, so last video we have done one project with ESP32 that is related to your weather monitoring. Okay, so you can go back and you can check that project and how the HTTP with this thing is there. So these are the complete codes about it. You have to just copy it. I will send you, I will give you the codes also. Don't you worry about it. Okay, so this is your code part. Okay, now I will connect this thing. Okay, now I'm connecting my board to it. I will show you the video also later. Okay, I've connected the board also. Now what I will do is I will just go to, since I have connected the board, I will go to first, I will just check I go to tools and I will just check my board, that is port. Yes, the port is showing, it's showing COM9. All right, so COM9 port is there. Then you come in this right hand side corner and just click on the serial monitor. Okay, the serial monitor stops. As soon as the serial monitor stops, nothing is visible here. The baud rate should be 1115200. So what you do is on the camera pin, right? Not on the camera pin, on the camera backside, you have one reset button. I'm just pressing that button. Okay, I'm just pressing that button. See, you now something has come over here. So what is it exactly? I will tell you. So I will just bring it down. I will bring it down. Right. Okay. So ESP CAM IP address, this thing it has started. So this is the main part you have to see, that the connection has been done to my Wi-Fi and you are getting the IP address. The rest of the things you don't have to do anything because we have to see the picture and we have to see. So we are in our lab now. So I'll just explain you about the circuit first. So here you can see the main part is this camera. Okay. This is nothing but we call it as a ESP8266, sorry, ESP32 cam. Okay. It has a camera plus there's a module. Okay. So this is ESP8266. So we are a project is based on this only. Okay. So how are the connections? You can see there is a FTDI module. You can see here the FTDI module from the FTDI module, the one at this end, that is, it is going to the computer. That is, we are taking power from the computer, and other side is connected to your ESP cam. Okay. So what are the connection? There are four, basically there are four connections. Okay. So one is supply, that is 5-volt supply. I have given it to, you can see a yellow color wire here over here. This is 5-volt supply on the yellow on the top. Then I have given ground. And you have TX and RX. Okay. Two wires, TX and RX, which will be coming over here. That is the TX from here, it will go to the RX and RX will go to the TX up here. Okay. So what is our purpose? To take the photo when there is a motion, right? Okay. So I will just tell you, I have used an IR sensor here. You can see I have used an IR sensor, IR, that is proximity sensor. So how it works, I will just tell you, when you take your hand just near to it, that is somebody is coming or somebody is seen, this light gets switched off. Automatically it will come on. Light gets switched off. Automatically, on the other light, when the picture is taken or when the some activity is there, then only this light will come. That is, it is connected directly to the GPIO pin. So this is the process. So I've used two transistors here, right? Okay, two sensors. One is this sensor is DST11, that is for temperature and humidity. We can take the readings. Okay, and of course this will have, this is having a flash also. This will have the flash, so we can control the flash also on this. And when we want, we can take the picture. Of course, the picture can be taken if some movement is there, right? If somebody comes in front of that, automatically it will come, or automatically it will be shown, or it will take a picture. Where the picture will go, the picture will be seen in Telegram ID. Okay. So this is the hardware setup. I just wanted to show it to you.